chapter 6, that is lines and angles, we have two axioms, and both of these two axioms together are known as linear pair axiom. So first of all, you know very well that what is a linear pair of angles? Linear pair of angles means if we have two adjacent angles, then the sum of these two angles is 180 degree and known common arms of the angle makes a line. Then this pair is known as linear pair of angles. Now, what is a linear pair axiom? Linear pair axiom says that if a ray stands on a line, it means we have a line. Okay, I am taking this line, and if a ray stands on a line, it means this is a ray and this is a line, and this I am taking a ray OC, that this is standing on a line AB. Then the sum of two adjacent angles. Now what are these two angles? This angle and this angle, and these are two adjacent angles. Then the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. This is our axiom. This is our mathematical axiom, that if a ray, that is OC, stands on a line AB, then sum of these two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now, what about second part? Second part is this converse. Converse means opposite. You can say that if sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, it means if you have two adjacent angles and the sum is given to be 180 degree, then a ray stands on a line. It means we are moving in opposite direction. First we had a ray stands on a line, then sum of these adjacent angles will make a sum of 180 degree. Now we have sum of angles as 180 degree, and this ray will stand on a line, or we can say that known common arms of the angle, this angle known common arm, this angle known common arm. So this known common arms of the angle makes a line. It means AB is a line. These two axioms together are known as linear pair axiom. So students, we have a theorem 6.1. This is the important and most commonly used theorem. It says that if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. The statement is, if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So now let us do proof. First of all, we take two lines. Okay, this is one line AB and this is the another line CD. These two lines are intersecting each other. Now let us take this intersecting point as O. Now according to the theorem, if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles. Now what are vertically opposite angles? Angle this, that is I name as angle 1, and angle 2. This is vertically opposite angle. Okay, so according to the theorem, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Now our task is we have to prove this. So first of all, to prove, or we can say that first of all we write given. Given is line AB and line CD intersect each other at O. Okay, this is given. Now to prove, what do we have to prove? We have to prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. That is, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. I am not saying angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Only this pair, that is vertically opposite. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Now, how will we proceed? First of all, write proof. Now see, according to the linear pair axiom, what we have discussed? We have discussed that if a ray stands on a line, then sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. So first of all, see that AB is a line. AB is a line. OC is a ray. A ray stands on a line. Then sum of these two adjacent angles is 180 degree. Are these two adjacent angles? Yes, because they have a common vertex, they have a common arm, and their known common arms are in opposite direction. So we can say that angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, because OC is a ray that stands on AB, or you can write directly as, linear pair axiom. Okay, we discussed this in linear pair axiom. So this is our first equation. First equation is angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Now come to this. If I am hiding this part and see, CD is a line, this is a line CD, okay, and OB is a ray that stands on a line CD, and these are two adjacent angles. So by linear pair of axiom, angle 1 plus angle 4 is 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree, again by linear pair axiom. And this is second equation. Now see very carefully first equation and second equation. In right hand side of these two equations, what is given? 180 degree, 180 degree. And if this is 180 degree, this is also equal to 180 degree. So we can say that their left hand side is also equal. Why? Because if their right hand side of these two equations is equal, then obviously their left hand side must be equal. So we can say that angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 4. Reason? By equation 1 and equation 2. Now, see here, angle 1 and angle 1. I can cancel. They are of same sign and both sides. So, I can cancel. So, what we are left with? We are left with angle 3 is equal to angle 4. And we have to prove this. So, this is our proof that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Similarly, we can prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now, I am giving you a task to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It is very easy. Similar to this, do this in 5 minutes. I am waiting for you.